Welcome to this LabVIEW tutorial. Today, we will create a VI that uses a vertical slide pointer to perform different arithmetic operations based on the slider's value. Let's get started. First, open LabVIEW and create a new VI by going to File, New VI. We'll start by adding a vertical slide pointer to the front panel. Right-click on the front panel to open the Controls palette. Navigate to Modern Numeric, a vertical slide, and drag it onto the front panel. Name this control function. We will use this slide pointer to choose between different operations: 0 for division, 1 for multiplication, 2 for subtraction, and 3 for addition. Right-click on the slider and select Properties. Set the minimum value to 0, the maximum value to 3, and the increment to 1. This will let us switch between the 4 operations. Next, we need 2 numeric controls for our operands. Right-click on the front panel again and go to Modern Numeric Control. Place 2 of these numeric controls on the front panel and name them A and B. These will be the numbers used in our calculations. Now, let's add an indicator to display the result of the calculation. Right-click on the front panel, go to Modern Numeric Indicator, and place it on the front panel. Name this indicator Result. It will show the outcome of the arithmetic operation based on the slider's value. With the front panel elements in place, let's switch to the block diagram by pressing Ctrl+E. On the block diagram, we will add a case structure to handle different operations based on the slider's value. Right-click on the block diagram and navigate to Programming, Structures, Case Structure. Place the case structure on the block diagram and wire the Operation Selector slider to the Case Selector terminal of the case structure. Inside the case structure, we will define what happens for each case. For case 0, we'll perform the division operation. Drag the A and B controls into case 0. Add a divide function from Programming, Numeric, Divide. Wire A to the numerator and B to the denominator. Connect the output to the result indicator. For case 2, we'll perform subtraction. Add a subtract function from Programming, Numeric, Subtract. Wire A to the minuend and B to the subtrahend. Connect the output to the result indicator. Finally, in case 3, we'll perform addition. Add an add function from Programming, Numeric, Add. Wire A and B to the inputs and connect the output to the result indicator. Make sure all controls and indicators are properly connected in the block diagram. You should have the operation selector wired to the case structure, and each arithmetic operation should be wired to the result indicator. Now you can run your VI and use the vertical slide pointer to select different arithmetic operations and see the results. To test your VI, enter values for A and B, then move the Operation Selector slider to choose an operation. The result indicator will display the outcome based on your selection. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more LabVIEW tutorials.